Uffiċini fil-Kalkara li jospitaw il-ħaddiema tal-Kenab Foundation ġew trasformati f'residenza għal 10 familji Ukreni li ħarbu minn pajjiżhom minħabba l-gwerra fil-vant tal-Ewropa. L-impjegati ġew mitluba li jaħdmu mid-darhom minflok l-iskrivaniji u s-siġġijiet tagħhom tpoġġew sodod gwardarobbi u affarijiet oħra ta' bżonn biex tiġi krejata dar il-bogħod mid-dar għal dawn il-familji Ukreni li għaddew minn ħafna fl-aħħar jiem.
We actually moved from Kiev to Lviv after the second week of the war, and just right after we left Lviv, there were explosions in Lviv, and that was the last thing we remember from the war. But actually, the situation is really bad, and many cities are already ruined. Many people are already dead. Many families won't see their kids. Many families won't see their mothers, fathers. That's really bad.
Net News kellu l-opportunità li jiltaqa' ma' dawn il-familji Ukreni li jinżammu fil-Kalkara sakemm ikun hemm bżonn u mhux se jħallsu għall-akkomodazzjoni u għas-servizzi li qed jiġu provduti, inkluż ikliet regolari mill-Esplora Cafe.
My husband in Ukraine on army.
Yeah, he's a soldier.
Yes, and my mother also in Ukraine.
And do you communicate?
Communicate every day.
And they are okay?
Okay.
They are
Тримаються українською.
Yes. So actually our fathers are still in Ukraine. They're somewhere in Kiev, but we don't know where they because this is confidential information, and they're soldiers. Okay. My father is commander of a group of soldiers.
Dawn il-familji ġew Malta mill-ajruport ta' Varsavia permezz ta' titjiriet li nataw b'xejn u li kienu organizzati grazzi għas-sapport tal-Kaptan Charles Patch.
Yes. I'm good.
Что не так, как дома. Здесь спокойно.
Of course, the Malta is really beautiful, but we want to go back to our motherland, to see our parents, to see our fathers, to see our relatives, friends, because Ukraine is the country where we were born.
But they hear Syrian at 12 o'clock. Первое время.
They heard a siren here. Yes,
okay.
And that was pretty terrible.
Bħalissa f'Malta u Fawdex hawn madwar 600 persuna li ħarbet mill-Ukrajna minħabba l-gwerra. Dawn l-Ukreni li tkellmu magħna jiffurmaw parti minn komunità żgħira ta' persuni li sabu refuġju f'pajjiżna. Dan kien possibbli għal għajnuna diversi Maltin u kumpaniji f'pajjiżna li mhux biss għenu biex jingħata saqaf fuq rashom iżda anke aċċertaw li jkollhom kull ma hemm bżonn fosthom id-deputat tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Stephen Spiteri.
We very want to return in Ukraine.
Yeah.
And united our family.
Il-Chairman Eżekuttiv tal-MCST u wieħed mid-diretturi tal-Kenab Foundation, Jeffrey Policino Arlando, li ħaħsib din l-inizjattiva sa mill-bidu fl-aħħar jiem saħaq li huwa verament ta' kuraġġ li jara l-Ukreni jinsabu kuntenti miġburin f'Malta.
So we are really out of words to explain how thankful we are to all of the Maltese people, because when we were leaving our country, all our life was just in one bag, which we took with us in the plane, and we were afraid that we won't have some basic things that we used to. And when we came here and saw how many help we received from all of your people, we were really shocked, and we want to see everybody and say thank you to everybody who helped us, and that's really amazing, and Maltese people are great, so thank you.
Il-familji li tkellmu magħna japprezzaw din l-għajnuna li qed tingħata mill-Maltin.
Yes, we want to say thanks to everybody who helped us, and we want to say people who still don't believe that this is all real, that please open your eyes. The war is real. We are living in the 21st century, and our country, Ukraine, is now under invasion of Russian soldiers, and hopefully nobody will feel the same thing which we are feeling right now.
Kien Kotajer, Net News.